Stop by and take a look at the 2014 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.7-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, strut. Inside you'll find capless fuel filler system, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, power steering. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.